Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will learn about HTML headings. HTML headings defines the title, which is displayed on web page. Here is an example of HTML heading. In this web page, heading, with a big font is defined as a heading. HTML are important because search engine use them to understand the structure and hierarchy of the content on a web page. This diagram shows the hierarchy of the heading elements, and how the search engine knows the structure of web page. H1 defines the main heading, and inside the main heading H2 is used to define subheading. Similarly, H3 is used to define subheading for H2. HTML heading is defined by H1 to H6, where H1 has highest hierarchy and H6 has lowest. In this example, we can see how the tags from H1 to H6 displays the heading. In the left, we have H1 to H6 elements, and in the right, we have displayed output in a web page. Now, let's do it in our PC. You can pause the video and copy the code for this HTML page. Click on Save As, and select the HTML folder on the desktop. Rename the file as index.html and save. Now let's open the index file and we can see the page is blank. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Inside the body, we will create a heading element. We will just write heading 1 inside the heading element. Since we are creating heading elements from H1 to H6, let's copy this heading element and paste below 5 times. Now all we have to do is change the number from H1 to H6. We will do this for the start tag and for the end tag as well. Let's complete this quickly. Now we will also change the heading content and make it heading 2 to 6. Save the file and reload the web page to see the changes. After reloading, we can see 6 different headings which we made. Now let's create heading, subheading and paragraph like we have in this Word document. Go to your Visual Studio Code. We will remove H2 to H6, because we don't need it. We are going to create subheading 1. So, I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Visual Studio Code, and create H2 element. Paste the subheading 1 inside the H2 element. After that, we will close the H2 tag. Now, let's check our progress, save the file and reload the web page. Click on Reload, and we can see that the subheading 1 has appeared. Now, let's make the paragraph, just like this on our web page. We will select this paragraph, and copy it. Let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. Here, we will create a paragraph element, using p tag. After closing the p tag, press Ctrl V to paste the paragraph that we copied. I will make this paragraph fit in my screen. This is not necessary, but I like to make everything fit inside the screen. If you look closely at the paragraph, you can see that it is full of dummy words. You can generate this dummy paragraph by using lorem function in MS Words. Looks like we did not close the p tag properly. So, let's make sure everything is okay. Everything looks okay right now. Let's save the files and reload the web page. After reloading the page, we can see that the paragraph is added to our web page. Now, we have to make this subheading 2 and its paragraph. Let's go back to our code and copy the part where we have subheading and paragraph. After that, we will paste the code below the paragraph element. We will paste the code here and modify the contents inside it. Change the subheading 1 to subheading 2, and the paragraph is basically same. Now let's save the file and reload the web page. After reloading, we can see that the subheading 2 and its paragraph is added, just like we have in the Microsoft Word document. So in this video, we learned how to create a web page that has a heading, subheadings, and their paragraph. We will learn more on coming videos, so keep watching. Time for quiz. Which tag is used for creating headings? A. H1 tag. B. Head tag. C. Title tag. D. All of the above. Pause the video if you need more time. The answer is A. H1 tag. Which heading has the lowest hierarchy? A. H1 tag. B. H5 tag. C. H6 tag. D. None. The answer is C. H6 tag. Which heading has the biggest font size? A. H1 tag. B. H3 tag. C. H6 tag. D. None. The answer is A. H1 tag. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, please leave a like, comment, or share. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.